In this video, we're going to use Home Assistant to create a galaxy in our living room. So stick around because we're about to automate some boring stuff. Welcome back to SlackerLabs. My name is Jeff. For me, having a smart home isn't always about automating the boring stuff. Sometimes it's about just adding some magic to the house. Like haunted house sound effects at Halloween, or turning my living room into the pre-show from Disney's Haunted Mansion. And it's why I wanted to take a closer look at the Galaxy Projector from SlackerLabs, because this lamp is pretty cool, and the effects it produces are, dare I say, out of this world. The Galaxy Projector from SlackerLabs is a Tuya-based smart lamp that brings a lot of color to any space you put it in. And that color is vibrant. It produces a 360-degree dynamic projection that can be adjusted to either be static or rotate. And it can be outfitted with either a green or blue laser to add a layer of stars. While this lamp can be controlled via a smart app on your phone, that connectivity is not needed to use the basic features of this lamp. So if you're not living in a connected home, you can still add this lamp to your life. But connecting this projector to the SlackerLabs app allows you to control the device with your voice using either the Amazon or Google Smart Speaker, and give you the power to set up automations and create custom scenes. If you want to relax under a nebula-filled sky while enjoying the comfort of your couch, the Galaxy Projector from SlackerLabs can bring the galaxy to you. In full disclosure, SlackerLabs did send this projector to me at no cost so I could produce this video, but as always, didn't have any influence over the content of this video. And with that in mind, let's take a closer look at what I like and don't like about this lamp. First off, to use this lamp, you don't need an internet connection. This lamp will operate without being connected to an app. But if you want direct control over some of the features like adjusting the color of this lamp, you are going to need to connect this lamp to the cloud. And speaking of cloud, this lamp leverages the Tuya cloud. So for apps, you can either use the SlackerLabs app or the Tuya app. Both give you the exact same control. They're just branded differently. And setting up this lamp in either one of those apps is super simple. But if you do choose to use the Tuya app instead of the SlackerLabs app, you can integrate this directly into Home Assistant, which we'll talk about more in a bit. I set this lamp up in my living room where I have 20-foot ceilings. And a big reason for that is because I didn't want the laser that comes with this lamp shining in anyone's eyes. So I set this lamp on top of a bookshelf. Even in its current location, the ceiling is 10 to 12 feet above this lamp. And as you can see, the color it produces is amazing, especially in the darkened room. This lamp isn't bright enough to overpower all the lamps in the room, but I suspect most of us are going to be running a lamp like this in a darkened room so we can get the full effect. You can adjust the speed of the rotation inside the app so it can match your mood. And you can pick from 4 different scenes to help change the transition effects and the colors it uses. But you have full control over each of these predefined scenes, so you can go in and change things like the colors they use as well as the order of the colors. The laser provides the star effect, and it can be turned on and off separate of the main bulb. You can choose whether or not your stars are blue or green, but that decision is unchangeable and you make it at the time of purchase. And the blue option is a little more expensive than the green one due to the laser. This is a mains-powered device. There is no rechargeable battery for this, so you will need to place it close to a power outlet. But it's built so that you have a couple of different angles, so that gives you a few more options for your placement. The laser that provides the star effect is low power, but you'll want to make sure that it's not in a location that's going to shine in anyone's eyes. It also doesn't appear to have a changeable light bulb. And I'm not real sure how long this light bulb is meant to last. But since this isn't a lamp that you're going to have on 24/7, I suspect it's going to last for a while. This lamp would make a perfect companion for a home theater or even a kid's bedroom, but you're going to want to automate it, more than likely, so let's talk smart home integrations. Because this is a Tuya-based device, connectivity is going to be cloud-based for most of the smart home platforms out there. We will discuss local-only options when we get to Home Assistant, but if your smart home is based on Amazon or Google, then you're going to need to connect a skill to get this device into your smart home. If you use the Galaxy Lamp app to set up this device, then you're going to want to use the Galaxy Lamp skill on both the Amazon and Google platforms. If you use the Tuya app, then of course you're going to use the Tuya skill. But both skills will give you the ability to turn on the lamp, adjust the brightness, and the color. But neither of the skills allow you to adjust the scenes, and from what I can tell, the skills don't remember what scene was last used if you use the app to control and select a scene. As far as SmartThings goes, it doesn't appear to recognize the Galaxy Lamp. If you choose the Tuya Smart option when adding devices, it does see both your Tuya and your Galaxy Lamp accounts. But since my Galaxy Projector is currently in the Tuya app, when I choose the Tuya option, I don't see the Galaxy Projector. So connecting this lamp directly to SmartThings doesn't appear to be possible. But I hope they change that, or at least make that an option in the future. Like I said earlier, using the Tuya app makes it easy to integrate this Galaxy Projector into Home Assistant. I've been able to get this Galaxy Projector into Home Assistant using both the official Tuya integration, which leverages the Tuya Cloud, and also with the local Tuya integration, which allows you to control this lamp completely local. The local Tuya option does take a little bit longer to set up. As of right now, I've just set up the main switch, the brightness, and the color inside the local Tuya integration. But I see the other attributes out there and should be able to add them as well. I'm really hoping to be able to choose a scene, since it doesn't appear that it remembers the scene that was last chosen inside the app. But for those of you that prefer local control over your devices, once you get this Galaxy Projector set up in the Tuya app and you grab the local key from the Tuya API, everything after that can be completely local. If you use the official Tuya integration with Home Assistant, you get access to the main switch, brightness, and color as well. Scene is missing from this integration too, which is kind of a bummer, because it would be nice to use a Home Assistant automation to pick one of those scenes inside the Galaxy Projector app. So with Home Assistant, you don't get complete control over this lamp, but you can turn it on and adjust the brightness and the color. None of the skills in the other smart home platforms or the official Tuya integration gives you the ability to turn on and off the laser for the star effect, but I'm pretty sure I can get that to work in local Tuya. I just haven't got around to setting that up. All in all, this lamp feels well made, and the color it produces is fantastic. It does have standard connectivity options for the major smart home platforms out there, with the exception of SmartThings, but when paired with Home Assistant, you have a little bit more control, especially if you want to go through the effort of getting local Tuya to work with this device. If you're looking for a lamp like this, I'll leave affiliate links in the description. The bottom line is, this lamp is an easy way to add color to your ceilings or your walls, or even to provide a unique nightlight for your kid's bedroom. And that does it for this video. A huge thanks to Galaxy Lamp for sending the Galaxy Projector to me so I could do this video. I've been having a lot of fun adding it to the automations that run in my living room. If you want to support SlackerLabs and the mission to help you automate the boring stuff, you can find links to the official SlackerLabs t-shirt store, as well as affiliate links and even a link to buy me a coffee if you so choose in the description of this video. Or just let me know that you found value in this video by hitting that like button. And consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't already for more smart home content like this. As always, thanks for taking time out of your home automation projects to watch mine. Until next time, go automate the boring stuff.